Last week, we cruised to Key West, hauled out, and began making a repair to the keel that we had previously damaged.
Welcome everybody to this week's video. This week we're on the hard. The hard, for those of you that don't know, is when you take a boat out of the water, put it up on blocks, and you're on dry land. So we're going to be doing a bunch of repair work. I know this isn't everybody's cup of tea, but hang with us. That's our life this week and probably next week as we get a bunch of boat repairs done so we can go back in the water, so then we can start our adventure back up through the Keys and over to the Bahamas. Enjoy the video, guys. We'll see you next week. It's the morning of day 2 in the boatyard. Day 1 was tough. Did a lot of grinding on the fiberglass on the keel. It really got to me. Just hard work. Had to build a tent around to contain all the dust, and even with the mask on, it was not fun. And just the heat from wearing the paper suit. When I got the paper suit off, my clothes were drenched like I just got out of the ocean. Just dehydrated. I hate grinding fiberglass. Hate it. So today we've got a tropical storm coming through, and so we're going to work on stuff on the inside, namely the transmission. Yesterday we unbolted the shaft and slid that shaft back away from the transmission. So here I've got my new seal and O-rings. So I'm going to do a little bit of reading on the tear down of the transmission, and hopefully we'll get that done today, and possibly get the rest of the sanding on the bottom done, depending on if it rains or not. And then we also need to clean up the shafts and propellers as well. Here we go. This is the old seal. This is the new seal. Wrong seal. There's no way it's going to seal up on that. That should be nice and tight. So we've had this for a month, waiting for a time to do it. We're going to crack down a new seal. I just replaced that lower exhaust fan. Go ahead, Carter. Cool, you can turn it off. This is our shaft seal. This is the shaft I've slid out in order to get the transmission. So I'll slide this out of here. This is the seal. I need to get some more of that, but we're gonna have to repack that before we put it back in the water so it doesn't leak. Day 3 in the boatyard. Tropical storm or depression, whatever it was, Sally, went through last night. Rained most of the day yesterday. Really heavy rain last night. Some pretty good winds. So we're just getting back to the boat. There's Carter already cleaning up our shaft. Good job, buddy. So today, I'm hoping that part with the plastic gets dry enough. I gotta check that out and see how dry or moist it still is. I need to sand the bottom of that keel all the way down, and all the little spots on the boat. The bottom paint came off of where I've got extra growth. Got to get all that sanded off so then we can get ready to fiberglass the bottom and then prime and paint.
I know it's Sunday. It's Sunday, September 13th. But we took a bunch of days off school this week, so we did homeschool today, and man, ELA kicked our booties today, so we're just kind of relaxing in the boat while Chris is still finishing up some sanding, and then we'll probably all come down and help sand and scrape a little bit more this afternoon. Day 4. Chris is still sanding. Now we've got our kids sanding. It's just going to be a lot of sanding today. Sanding, sanding, sanding. Well, Chris does the majority of the boat work. I'm still trying to get some homeschooling done and keep all these guys out of the way of other boaters, because the boatyard is just not a super safe place for 3 little boys. So we're walking down the road. There's a park right across this major street over here. So we go play at the park in the afternoons. Hopefully sometime this week we'll get to go to a pool, maybe stay at a hotel one night. Kind of trying to still enjoy the journey, even though right now we feel kind of stuck and stagnant on the hard in the boatyard. But things are looking good. We're kind of on track. We're on day 4. Sanding's pretty much all done, and then I think next we're gonna prep, prime, paint. So hopefully we get this done in the week. Five what?
Geckos. Oh, come on! They're peeing in my bottle.
Let me see. You have 5 geckos in there?
Mm-hmm. Huh. Look, take the bottom view.
Oh, well, okay.
We are very blessed. We are leaving the boatyard, headed to our friend Ed. We did some buddy boating with him, and I helped him move his boat to Key West about a month ago. So we are staying on his boat, and the cats are holding down the fort on the hard. So he's literally across the highway. It's a 4-minute drive from the boatyard, which is very, very nice.
He has awesome showers in his marina.
Yep.
And he
really
has,
good air conditioning
which
on his boat.
we can't use the showers or cook on our boat right now because we can't use water. So that's kind of why we're, you know, scrambling to find somewhere to stay. And then Ed has amazing air conditioning on his boat. It's amazing. So we're enjoying that.
It's all brand new.
Yeah. So we're enjoying that, but we'll show you a little bit of where we're staying too. This is the dock that our friend Ed lives down. And there's that amazing view way out there. It's beautiful. The water is nice and clear. You can see lots of fish and coral.
Wow, look at all those fish.
Ooh, sorry. Wow. It's a lot of fish today. Look, they're eating. There are 2 staterooms, so we are staying in the back. No, the front stateroom. It has like a California king size bed, and no matter where we are, we cannot get away from our nightly routine of daddy wrestles.
Wait. We might need your help, Chase. Oh no! Oh no! That get up! Get up!
They love their daddy. That's all I can say. Oh man, boys, boys, boys.
It is day 5, morning of day 5. And I am, it's early. We're way early, like before 8 o'clock. That's early, trust me. Headed back to the yard right now. Kids and the wife are all still sleeping. Got the stainless steel guy coming this morning. So he wants to be there early, which is fine. Got a lot to do today. Got stainless steel guy. Got what else we got? We got transmission to put back together. And we got our fiberglass to start today. But first, coffee. Got my new anchor light pole and a new flag pole. This guy stopped about here, and so he's added about 2 feet. And then this one will mount up on top of the arch. Put my line through there. Very excited. Good match. I just got them out screwed up putting it in.
Please like and subscribe to our videos. See you next Friday.
Next week, while we're still in the boatyard, all of us learn how to fiberglass. We did also get to enjoy some rest and relaxation at a local hotel and enjoyed some great family time together. Have a great week.